Hey guys, how's it going? A little rainy here today. Sorry about the noise. If you hear some raindrops, it's on and off, and I'm just trying to get this video done. Sitting out here in the shop, I guess you would call it. It's more like a carport, but in the process of, we just moved and about to build a new garage, so this is what I got for now. And it works. I guess I've had worse. So yeah, but anyway, here's the bikes that we're doing the speed test on. I have other videos of these if you wanna check them out, and I got more coming too. So we took these out and did a speed test with the local radar speed sign, and I feel like that's a little more accurate than using a phone, because the phone seems to have a little delay and lag in it. Hey guys, had to cut the video. Rain started heavy on the metal roof and it's too much. Sorry about the random drips and drops and stuff. But back to the bikes. It's pretty obvious which one's faster. And some of you might be able to tell just by looking at them. Some might not. I want to go over, at the end of the video, I'm going to go over everything and tell you exactly how and why and the speeds and everything. So here's the clips. Got 30. All right, so Bo just got 30 mile an hour on this one. We just switched and got on the other one with bigger tires and a little different gear. That other one feels a little slower than this one, and I'm not sure why. But I'm gonna see if it has to do with weight, because he weighs a lot less than me. I'm about 210 right now. I'm not sure what he's weighing. Probably like 100 pounds. But here he comes on the other one. He's doing 24 right now, 25. Yeah, so he got 25 on that one. So that one's 5 mile an hour slower. That's crazy. It's crazy, I don't know why. Might be the gears. Turn it off. You only got 25 on that one.
Yeah, this one definitely is a lot slower.
Yeah, that one, you got 5 miles more an hour on that. On this one, this one's 5 mile an hour faster than that one. Same motor, same torque converter, different tires, different gears. All right, so there you have it. It's hands down the little red one, and it's all about the gearing and tire size. That's the only thing it could be. And honestly, 5 mile an hour is a lot on these little things. You definitely feel it. The big tire one is more comfortable for me to ride, but I prefer the little red one because it is that much faster. I didn't film this part, but I actually rode both of them and did the speed test myself, and I got 22 on the big tire one and 25 on the small tire one. My son, he got 25 on the big tire one and 30 on the small tire one, which you saw in the video. And it's consistent, you know. It's a 5 mile an hour difference with both of us riding, and it's a 3 mile an hour difference between us with the weight difference. So it's pretty accurate. It's pretty right on. So there's something I wanted to show you guys real quick at the end of this video. I just got a new muffler for the big tire one. Right now I'm using just a little washer in there. So here's a better view of that lollipop, as I like to call it. And you can see it's just a regular washer with the bolt welded on and a nut, and you can just tighten and loosen this, and you make it flat, 3/4, whatever you need to do. It's just the old school, you know, baffle muffler, but I just wanted to throw this in there so you had a better view. It just doesn't quite make it quiet enough. I want it a little quieter. I don't want to be too obnoxious. I mean, I like a good sound, but you know, nothing crazy. But I did get this, guys, so I'm gonna try to, I want to put it on there so I can take it on and off if I don't like it. But as you can see, this one already has a little muffler, and it's about perfect. It still flows good and not too loud. So and I did have the lollipop, or whatever you want to call it, in that one as well, but I took it out, put that muffler on it because I had that muffler. So we'll once I get this guy on there, I'm probably gonna sit it back a little bit so it doesn't stick out too far, but yeah, I'll figure out how to get it on there, and then once I do, I'll do another test run. Maybe it might help with some back pressure, I don't know. We'll see. But that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for some more videos with these. I got some stuff planned for them. Until then.